I spoke to European Union this morning, all the ambassadors, and I asked them, stop giving us aid. We don't need aid. We need leadership. Help us to get leaders who can serve this country. We do not require their aid. And I asked him a question. I asked the ambassador of Netherlands. I said, your country is only 33, minus water, is only 33,000 square kilometers. And your export last year of agricultural product is $120 billion. Our state, Niger State, is 76.3 thousand square kilometers. 2.5 times Netherlands. They can't feed themselves. They cannot feed Nigeria. They have not exported anything because they are waiting to share 3 billion from Niger Delta every month. When if they have just exported 1% of what Netherlands exported, when they have 2.5 times there, they will earn $1.2 billion. If you multiply it, it's about 750 billion. It's 5 times their budget. But they are waiting for 3 billion. We cannot wait. I saw the governor of Taraba, and I went to visit Danjuma, who is also your church member. And I said to him, you are from Taraba. Taraba is 54.6 thousand square kilometers. Belgium is 30.9 square kilometers. Israel is 22. So Taraba is bigger than Belgium and Israel put together. And Israel alone, export last year is $59.8 billion. It's about twice the export of Nigeria. 200 million people living on almost 1 million square kilometers doing nothing. We want to be productive. Our children, the youth are energetic. All they want is somebody to support them, to prove who they are. All these children that are accused of Yahoo Yahoo is the same talent in their heart. And we are directed, and they became ICT managers. Please, I'm begging you, next year election should not be based on ethnicity, on religion, on connection, or my turn, or any form of bias. We don't need it.